Yes, good morning, students. Welcome to the series of lesson number 13, Light, a form of energy. And in the previous video, what we have studied about? We have studied about what is light, and then what do you mean by the sources of light? How many kinds of sources of lights are there? Natural sources of lights, man-made sources of light, and the object on the basis of sources of light. The object can be classified into luminous object and non-luminous object. Now today we will study in this video how do we see things, how we are able to see the things. If they are not giving the light, then how we are able to see the thing? Yes, in this pic, beta, Chinmay is saying, our eyes help us to see, is not it? Our brother is saying, true, but we can't see if there is no light. Very much right. In the night also, we can't see. Why we can't see in the night? Because light is not there. It means both the things are needed to see the things. Light also, as well as light also we need the things, and eyes also. Both the things are needed to see the object. We can easily see a candle when its light fall on our eyes, because candle gives off light. If the light from the candle falls on our eyes, it means we are able to see the candle. Okay, but many things around us are not the sources of light. They don't give us light. Then how we can see them? Beta, how we can see the table, how we can see the book, how we can see your geometry box? Listen, the light from the candle will fall on the table, and then from the table light reflects into our eyes. In this way we can see the things, because the light from the source fall on that object and bounces off. Light from the candle fall on your book, on your table, then it bounces off, and then after bouncing, what will happen? It enters into our eyes, and in this way we are able to see the things. Yes, now in this dark pic, beta, what they are talking about? Grandfather is saying to their children that, children, come here in this dark room. Can you see anything? And what Chinmay is saying? He is saying, no, I cannot. I can't see anything. Then his grandfather is saying, now Jigyasa beta, you turn on the torch. And now Jigyasa has switched on the torch, and now Chinmay can see the table. How Chinmay is able to see the table? Because from the torch light fall on the chair, and then it bounces off. After bouncing, it reach into the Chinmay eyes. In this way, Chinmay is able to see the chair. Okay, beta, how we can see the things? You have learnt about this. When light bounces off something, we say light is reflected. This process is known as reflection. What do you mean by reflection of light? When light falls on any object, you can see when light falls on the mirror and it bounces off in another direction, this is known as reflection of light. When the light is switched on, light from the torch fall on the chair, and this reflects the light into our eyes, and in this way chin may able to see the chair. Similarly beta, when the light from the source fall on the book, and from the book light reflects, bounces off and reach into our eyes, and in this way we are able to read the book. Can you see your face into your book? No, I can't see. I need a mirror to see my face, because mirror and diamond are shiny. That is why they reflect light. Okay beta? Now we will study about the things through which light can pass, through which light cannot pass. This we will study in the next video. So wait for the next video. That's all from my side. Thank you.